Hey guys, so for this episode, we have an aftermarket body kit and it's going on a 370Z. Stay tuned. So our buddy Nick brought this awesome bumper in here. You can see it has the vents cut out. So hopefully that'll be cooling off the brakes. And it even has the lip integrated into it. We also were brought this big wing, and this thing is made of fiberglass. So if we were to put too much strain on these things, they will crack and shatter. There was a little bit of damage done to this. This is how it was brought to us. So this is Bondo. It has been repaired. It just has to be block sanded down. It also was repaired right here. That needs some block sanding. This is what it looks like from the rear. It's gonna look really cool, I think. And it was repaired also right here. Underneath, there is a mounting point, and it was filled in with Bondo. So I need to drill that out and make sure the threads are still good. And this is also made of fiberglass. So this design is actually based on a polyurethane design, which makes a whole lot of sense because back here we've got the under tray actually integrated on it. And if it was polyurethane, when we go to service the engine, say a simple oil change, it's really easy. You just pop off right here, and peel this back. But being as though it is fiberglass, it'll shatter. So we can't do that. And for that reason, I need to cut and modify this, which brings us to this video's sponsor. Milsgarage Customs. Is your car too boring? Do you like sliding sideways in parking lots? Do you like going to car shows? Do you want your car to look or sound exactly like the car in this video? Well, here at Milsgarage Customs, we can do everything that you see on the channel to your car. And if you don't see it on the channel, we can do it to your car too. So if you trust us to cut your fiberglass parts or install coilovers or any aftermarket parts you've got, hit us up. We've got our information down in the description below. Text us and we will hook you up.
A few moments later.
Bam! So now you can see I've cut and modified the bumper. So we have a nice straight edge right here. We're gonna be able to access the oil pan and do oil changes now. And I've got the spoiler all disassembled with newly accessible threads in the mounting locations, which means these are now ready for prep and paint. And so you can see with everything painted, we've got the two-tone going on the bumper. It looks awesome. You can even see right here where the pressure crack was. That's all fixed up now. Plus we have the spoiler over here. Wow. And it's also two-tone. So now I just need to put this back together, but Nick is on his way over. So when he gets here, I'm gonna take some pans of his car, we're gonna install everything, and then I'll show you the final results. so the body kit is on the car, and if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe to the show with all your friends. There's so much more coming up. So now, I'll show you this pants. Wow. That is an absolute transformation. That looks amazing. This is... That's cool. Looks so aggressive now. And look at that wing. Holy what? That is massive. That is a big wing. That looks great too. Wow. We got Nick back there, and a Tyler, and a Nick. Wow. That is nuts. Wow. Beautiful. Follow him. This turned out amazing, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Wow. This is just... Do. Awesome. Do. Make sure you subscribe.
What's up?
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Does your car suck? Bring it here. We'll fix it.
Like and subscribe to Mills Garage. What's up?
Woo!